Hey everybody, this is a quick little mini lesson on vertical angles. So come on over here and first grab a pen or a marker. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to identify the vertical angle pairs. Okay, so here we have two lines that are crisscrossing. Okay, and remember, vertical angles are opposite of each other. Okay, so for example, here we have an angle right here. Okay, and the angle across, which is right here, is a vertical angle. Okay, so let's call this angle A and angle B. Okay, so angle A and angle B are vertical angles. Now, come over here and grab a different color. But we also have one more pair of vertical angles. We have this angle here, and across from it, this angle here. And let's call this angle C and angle D. So angle A and angle B are vertical angles, as well as angle C and angle D.